Hi, I'm Tim Trenier with BSF, and we're in Monkton, Ontario at the Harvest for Hunger Foodgrains project. And just recently behind us they harvested 160 acres of soybeans in 11.43 minutes, which is almost a world record, or maybe we haven't heard yet, but it was pretty exciting. They had over 120 combines all going at once, one starting at one end of the field and the other starting at the other and meeting in the middle. It was quite exciting. BASF's proud to be one of the many sponsors of this project. We provided Frontier and Conquest, which is the herbicide program for this site, and Headline, which is a fungicide for the site. As I said, there's many sponsors involved in this, and BASF being one, and the goal was to raise $200,000, and with the hard work of all the volunteers, that will happen, and the government agency CETA will match that 4-to-1. So the potential of this project is to raise $800,000 for food grains projects and famine relief. So that's pretty exciting and a very worthwhile cause for all the contributors and all the hard-working volunteers.